Good morning, everyone. Let's continue. At first, I want to say we are talking about software. It's called TreeShade, and I have been developing this software over a decade. It works as a local server and extension for Adobe Creative Cloud, especially Adobe Bridge and Adobe InDesign. And it has a file after installing main.js, execute as a local server, Node.js server. And here I have ngrok service to connect this local server with a URL for content management system and auto-generating designs remotely by connecting the content with the InDesign documents through live snippet. There is a tool called live snippet. Connect the content as text files and image with the document items. At first, let's create a folder inside workshop folder. This folder created automatically inside the root folder. And within this folder, you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. So now let's create a new folder. Let's name WED Wednesday. And open it. And here in TreeShade menu, you will have command called new at first here. And this command reveals files as templates files for shortcut. And here I have plain text file index.html, and here InDesign document, and here icon. You can change the default path, and you can add more files. Here I have, let's create a text file here using this command. Write the new name. Let's name data ts underscore key. By specifying this flag ts underscore key in the text file, this file becomes the settings text file for online form buttons and updating locations. Now, if I click OK, TreeShade automatically will create a new InDesign document and auto-exported it. So, click OK and wait. Now, TreeShade automatically will copy the InDesign document that exists beside the original text in the template folder, create a copy in the new location, and auto export. All that happens because you have the flag here. And after exporting, Adobe Bridge will reveal the exported PDF here in version PDF, in these versions PDFs. And you need here to go back to workshop by clicking under workshop here. Here workshop. If you click here, you will go to versions. All these output locations parallel to the original location, to the editing location. If you edit the file name here, will be changed also in the output. So if you change here the name to layout, also will be changed here in versions to layout. If you move to a different folder, also it will be updated in the output. So always edit workshop location where this green line, and here the red line for warning you not to edit this. Okay, now you can reveal the online form by double-clicking this text file that has ts underscore key. If you click yes on this message, open online form, the online form will be opened and the InDesign document will be previewed here. But I don't have submitting button. You can add many buttons for different functions, but let's double click on the text file on this data underscore key.txt, and instead of clicking yes to open the online form, I will click no. Now TreeShade will reveal this window to edit the content of the text file. Let's write the button name, submit, and then the location of updating dot slash in the same location. Okay. Now let's refresh. Now we have submit button because we add in the text file submit. So this related to this. Okay, now let's create content. At first, let's create folder called data. The same prefix here to make connection between the text file and the sub-content. So this folder paired to the text file with a special relation. Like if you right click on the folder, you can select switch to the paired and the text file will be selected. If you double click the text file and click no on this open online form, TreeShade will ask you to open the paired folder. If you click yes, the data folder will be opened. Now we are inside data folder. Now let's create a list of files. So let's create text file called list. Okay. Right click on the text file and select switch to the paired, because we don't have paired folder with the text file. TreeShade will create automatically a folder and open it, a folder called list also. Now let's create a text file inside list that has ID capital letters and 5 digits, and here display suffix for online form, display portion at the end of the file name inside square brackets. Okay. Now if we refresh the online form, you will have a list, dynamic list. So you can add a new item like this. Item 2. Here item 1. Sorry for this disturbing. Okay, let's continue. We have a list, dynamic list. I can add new items and remove. I can use this as labeling item 1. Here item 2. Or you can write abbreviation of the content, like here, new content, a new, here, some. Okay. Now let's submit. Now you will have two files, two text files, item 1 and new. And now Adobe InDesign will automatically open the document and update. But we didn't connect the content to the InDesign document yet. Okay. Now I can change this file list to render the content of this subfolder that paired with the text file. So this text file will be a dynamic live snippet. So we can place in InDesign document. So double click the text file, click no for open paired folder. And here we can write dynamic content. Write colon to identify this text file as a dynamic live snippet. Write the relative path to the sub-content, and it's in the same location, // then fn file name or pure file name, because the folder have the same name as the file. And here let's write ID, because all text files start with capital letters ID, asterisk, then place. And you can write the separator here, like a new line. Okay. Now you can open the document. And now I can use file place the same way. I place an image, and now you can select the text file inside the root folder, inside workshop, inside WED Wednesday, here inside data list. So you can place this list, and now we have a list. Cancel. Let's create paragraph style. New paragraph style. List. Okay. Okay. For list, let's change the style to be list. Okay. Let's save the document and click yes for this question. Do you want to check in? Yes. Now InDesign will export the PDF automatically and reveal the PDF file in Adobe Bridge. Okay. Now we created the connect between three software or interface. The first one is the online form, and the content as files you can preview and edit in Adobe Bridge. And the third one is InDesign document element. So you can change here the item. Let's refresh the online form. Now I can edit the list. You can change the display part here. Okay. Now before updating, before clicking submit, I want to put the InDesign interface on the right here, so we can see what will going. And now let's click submit. In less than a minute for the end user, the document will be opened automatically, update the content, and export the PDF file. If the PDF file is ready, the online will be refreshed, previewing the new design, and also the new content to be modified if the end user wants that. So I can change the order, like here. Text came later here. I want to put at the first. Text came at first. I clicked this to reorder, and here write the new order 1. Now let's click submit. The same thing now, the InDesign document will be opened automatically and updated, and that happens in the local server away from the end user, where the online form. So here text came at first here. Okay, now I can put these text in this live snippet in table cells instead of like here, the dynamic live snippet list. I can select the list by inserting the text cursor inside. and selecting from live snippet menu, dynamic content. So I can modify the text file from here. Here you can write cells as separator, and this character to make the cells vertically. Okay. Now I have the cells in vertical form. I can change the width of the table in dynamic style, like here, dynamic style, and let's write 100% width. Okay. So here you want to change the paragraph style, and also you can apply paragraph style in style, like here, dynamic style. You can add a new paragraph style like body, para, abbreviation for paragraph style. This is the method or style. Here you have the method. Okay. Okay, that's it. That enough for today. And don't hesitate to ask for any question about installing or using. And goodbye.